Today we're going to be installing SSD card on a PS5, 1 TB. Here it is right there with the heatsink. Recommend this one. It's a good deal. Start off with removing some parts. This is easy. Just remove the screw, which is already loose. Slides out that cover. It's pretty simple. Just pull here and slide this way. This is going to be a little dusty, so I recommend taking the microfiber and wiping it down and vacuuming it. This side, same thing. If you want to clean it, just slide it, put that to the side. Same goes with this. A lot of dust. And vacuum. There's a little Phillips. Let's remove this. Remove the little lid. Make sure you put this back right here. There's a little spacer. Remove that because you're going to need it to install the card. Make sure you have it in the right direction. And I don't know if you can see it, but inside here there's a space. You can't just shove it in there. You have to actually lift a little tiny bit and insert like that. But first you gotta put the spacer inside. Get a little crevice there. Just like so. Throw your screw in. That's pretty much it. Put your cover on. Make sure this is back on. It's the way it's designed. I won't put a cover for no reason. That's it. I'm just gonna wipe everything down. Everything looks good. Insert your cover. Slides in, snaps right in just like that. Same goes with this side. Take your microfiber. Go over it. You can actually take these off too, I'm pretty sure. If you really wanted to clean this really good, probably wash these down. stuff like that, but it's not that dirty. Now, put this cover on now. The stand, if you want to use that, the way I have it. Some people have it laying down. I like it vertical. Slide it like this. Insert your screw. Pretty simple design.